Hi guys, today we would like to introduce to you Hermeta's strategic partner, Gaxon Technology. It has rich expertise in the field of additives and is committed to providing customers with first-class products and services. Gaxon Technology have 22 fully automated production lines and a fully automated filling system. The factory adopts internationally renowned manufacturers' DCS, batch, and SIS systems to provide accurate and efficient automation for enterprise production, as well as stable and secure technical support. It also uses MES and ERP systems for data-driven and information-based management of the production process. All their production sites operate in compliance with international standards for safety, quality, and the environment. In addition, the quality inspection equipment is well equipped, and the production and inspection processes strictly follow the principles of human, machine, material, and supervise the standardized operation process of legal, environmental, and testing 5M1E. The company has always been guided by product stability, based on intelligent manufacturing factories, ensuring the accuracy of process parameters, real-time traceability of products, and reliability of production processes in all aspects and dimensions. At Gaxon Technology, they take pride in our state-of-the-art production processes. The company have a team led by industry experts and high industry experience composite and multi-level R&D technology teams. Their team of experts is dedicated to ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of quality and performance. From sourcing raw materials to the final packaging, they maintain a keen focus on excellence. Research and development are integral to their success. Gaxon Technology specializes in comprehensive research and development technology for synthesizing various additives fundamentally. They obtain 19 utility model patents and 3 invention patents. The company invests in cutting-edge technologies and collaborate with industry experts to stay at the forefront of innovation. Their continuous pursuit of excellence drives them to develop new and improved products that meet the evolving needs of our customers. They also establishes research and development companies abroad to timely understand the domestic and foreign products development trends of the industry. Focusing on technology in the field of new materials development and technical reserves, Gaxon is committed to functional green products. Our research and development, production, and application promotion always adhere to the principles of stable, differentiated green, which is the product positioning. We provide excellent and high-quality products for the market. The product is widely used in construction, architectural coatings, waterproofing, industrial coatings, water-based inks, watercolor paste, adhesives, paper-making, metal cutting fluids, and electricity, as well as in various chemical applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Gaxon Technology. As a strategy partner of Hermeta, we are committed to bringing you the best in chemical innovation. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of chemical industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching!